The mediator for peace talks between the state government and the banned Hnlc outfit Sadon Blah had publicly announced through a press conference held on the 19th of July 2022 that the government has allowed for the safe passage of the leaders of the militant group to India in order for the peace talks to take place.
So, since the last 3 months, since the Hnlc has appointed me as the representative of the Hnlc to have a discussion with the state government and the central government and the state appointed interlocutors in Initially Peter. So we had a 3 round of meeting, that is the representative, the executive members of the Hnlc, at the level of foreign secretary and the political secretary. There has been an agreement from the central government, the state government and the Hnlc specifically with regard to the safe passage. The safe passage in the sense that leaders of the Hnlc who are to be engaged in the talk for the peace process can come and go, or maybe they can stay in, station themselves in within the territory of India, Meghalaya, and that is the meaning of the safe passage, and the rest will follow only after the safe passage is granted, and as it is granted, and I hope in the next few days or week, the leaders of the Hnlc will be joining the discussion regarding the issues concerning the agendas of peace process. You see, the entire intention of the safe passage is that to enable the Hnlc to come and have a direct discussion with the authorities, be it of the state or the central government. So that is the intention of the safe passage, and it will speed up the process also if the leaders of the Hnlc are able to join the discussion and whatever negotiation that they have to do across the table with the central government and the state government. That is the intention.